In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Instagram Android smartphone app. So if your app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then I'll show you how you can solve that problem. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to settings, and then from here, look for the option called apps. Then tap on manage apps, and this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now from the list, scroll down until you get to Instagram, and mine is here. Tap on it to open, and we are interested in this option called app information. Alternatively, to get to app information, you can just go ahead and long press on your Instagram app, and you'll see app information here. Then it will take you to the same page. Now from here, go to storage, and if you go to storage, you can see you have a lot of cache data. Now, cache are small files that are normally stored on your app to enhance performance. However, the accumulation of this cache data may sometimes cause your app to malfunction or to crash. So what we need to do is to clear this cache data. So to clear the cache data, you can either tap here. Alternatively, if we go back, you still see clear data option, which is here. So you can tap on this clear data either from here or from storage, and then choose the option called clear cache. Then tap on OK. And as you can see now, our cache is 0. Now from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening your Instagram app. This should be able to solve majority of the problem you have with your app. But if this didn't solve your problem, then go ahead and tap on Play Store and then search for your app. Now from here, tap on it and look for any update if it is available. In case it is available, it will be indicated here. Then go ahead and update your app so that you get the latest version of Instagram app that is working. That should be able to fix all the bugs or any malfunctioning on your app. But should this not work, then you may want to go ahead and install this app and then install it afresh in your Play Store. Alternatively, you can still go ahead and install it from here by long pressing on it and then uninstall it. Then go back to Play Store and install it afresh. At this moment, everything should be okay and you should be able to have your Instagram account working properly. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.